place where research and innovation go together, where regular hard work inspires creativity and academic excellence is valued through multidisciplinary activities. CT University is a whole new world in itself. Established in 2016, CT University is recognized as the leading university of higher education in India. With over 100 need-based programs in academics, research and social engagement, it is known for its faculty of eminence, originality of curriculum and its distinct service to society. With various courses in cybersecurity, artificial intelligence, health management and paramedical sciences, CT University offers multiple programs in sciences, humanities, commerce, tourism and fashion designing for a secured and bright future in the competitive world. The Wi-Fi-induced smart campus and enigmatic infrastructure ensures world-class facilities like fields and playgrounds for all sports, air-conditioned hostels and digitized libraries. For academic and technical needs of students in various disciplines, students get to practice skills in well-equipped aircraft model and in-house Arena bakery and explore science in the state-of-art laboratories and outpatient physiotherapy department at the campus. The 24/7 Robotics and Automation Lab have yielded many innovative scientific projects bringing accolade to our students and faculty. For a greater happiness index and good wealth of mind and spirit, CT University has come up with the School of Happiness and Well-being, which infuses positivity, self-confidence and power to manage stress in work and life. CT University has been branded as a dynamic, industry-driven university having tie-ups with institutions and enterprises of national and international repute in all fields, promising enriching training programs, on-field exposure and timely placements. The university is also known for its numerous academic collaborations with international universities like the Lincoln University USA, University of Derby UK, and Mendel University. We believe in a holistic approach to education, career and personal well-being. Come and experience the world of excellence, innovation and happiness at CT University, Firozpur Road, Ludhiana, approved by UGC.